Hello, everybody. Let's get started. Let's sing Chatter with the Angels and Pat the Beat. Ready and chatter with the angels soon in the morning. Chatter with the angels all day long. I hope to join that band and chatter with the angels all day long. Sing on coo, ready and coo 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 coo. Coo 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 coo. Sing frosty weather and pat the beat. Ready and frosty weather, snowy weather. When the wind blows, we all get together. I sing words, you echo hand signs. My turn. Frosty weather, somiredo. Snowy weather, somiredo. When the wind blows, so, we all get together. La somiredo. Let's sing through Big Fat Biscuit and Pat the Beat. Ready and Big Fat Biscuit, choo-baloo, just from the oven, choo-baloo, jump over yonder, choo-baloo. 3, 2, 1, jump. So if you're playing by yourself, you'll need at least 3 objects. They can be any objects, a toy, a pillow, a stuffed animal, any object will do. I have cones. So on one side, you're gonna want a cone as your starting point, okay? So this is where we're going to start each time. So the song goes like this. Big fat biscuit, choo-baloo, just from the oven, choo-baloo, jump over yonder, choo-baloo. 3, 2, 1, jump. And on the word jump, I'm gonna see how far out I can jump, like this. 3, 2, 1, jump. I have to be able to jump and not fall. I have to stick the landing. So wherever I land, I'm gonna put my next object to show me that's how far I went. I'm gonna go back to my starting point, and when I play again, I'm going to try to beat my first jump, where I put my first object, or my second object. So I'm gonna go again. Big fat biscuit, choo-baloo, just from the oven, choo-baloo, jump over yonder, choo-baloo. 3, 2, 1, jump. I jumped further than my last object, and so I'm going to put this down as my next marker. And so you can see, you can do this as many times as you want until you absolutely cannot jump any further, okay? Have fun. We have a new song today. Listening ears. It goes like this. Great big house in New Orleans, 40 stories high. Every room that I've been in filled with pumpkin pie. Go ahead and stand up. So during the song Great Big House, we're gonna do a pattern of body percussion. So we're gonna go snap, snap, chest, chest, pat, pat, stomp. That's the whole pattern. Try it with me. Snap, snap, chest, chest, pat, pat, stomp. Again. Snap, snap, chest, chest, pat, pat, stomp. Again. Snap, snap, chest, chest, pat, pat, stomp. One more time. Snap, snap, chest, chest, pat, pat, stomp. Now you're going to keep doing this pattern while we add the song. So it'll look and sound like this. Great big house in New Orleans, 40 stories high. Every room that I've been in filled with pumpkin pie. Try it with me, here we go. Great big house in New Orleans, 40 stories high. Every room that I've been in filled with pumpkin pie. A little bit faster, here we go. Great big house in New Orleans, 40 stories high. Every room that I've been in filled with pumpkin pie. A little bit faster, ready, and great big house in New Orleans, 40 stories high. Every room that I've been in filled with pumpkin pie. A little bit faster, ready, and great big house in New Orleans, 40 stories high. Every room that I've been in filled with pumpkin pie. A little bit faster, ready, and great big house in New Orleans, 40 stories high. Every room that I've been in filled with pumpkin pie. Last time, a little bit faster, ready, and great big house in New Orleans, 40 stories high. Every room that I've been in filled with pumpkin pie. Let's sing Rocky Mountain and Pat the Beat. Ready? Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain high. When you're on that Rocky Mountain, rest your head and cry. Do, 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 remember me. Do, 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 remember me. And our last phrase, let's sing the last phrase and pointer fingers. Whoop! It starts on do, ready, and do, mi, sol, la, mi, re, do. And friends, we've been talking about how in music, if we have our 5 pitches, do, re, mi, sol, la, and if the song ends on do, it's called the do pentatonic scale. Say that with me. Do pentatonic scale. Do because it ends on do. Penta because it's 5 and then tonic tones. And because it ends on do, we can call do the tonic note, the home note of the do pentatonic scale. Let's sing the lowest pitch, do, up to the highest pitch, la, using hand signs. Ready, and do, re, mi, sol, la, sol, mi, re, do. Remember, friends, we have steps and skips on our ladder. And so do to re is a step, re to mi is a step, mi to so is a skip, and so to la is a step. In the do pentatonic scale, we only have 1 skip. Let's sing our steps and skips. Ready, and do and re are a step apart. Re and mi are a step apart. Mi and so are a skip apart. So and la are a step apart. La and so are a step apart. So and mi are a skip apart. Mi and re are a step apart. Re and do are a step apart. So when we look at the staff, remember the staff has 5 lines, 4 spaces from the bottom to the top. So if we look at the staff, do is on, let's see, space number 2. And we want to make the notes on the ladder look like the notes on the staff. So if do is on a space and re is a step above, re is going to be on the line above. Mi is going to be above re, a step, so we're going to go from line to space. Mi to so is a skip. So remember, if it's a skip, it's going to be space to space. So that puts so on space number 4. And then la is a step above that. and it's going to be on a line. So remember, steps are space to line, line to space. Skips are space to space or line to line. Let's look at another one. So we have do here on the first line. So we're going to go up a step to re, which is on the space. A step above that, mi, is on a line. A skip from mi on a line is so, also on a line. And so is a step to la, which is on a space. Well, friends, we have a new song with a new game. Your listening ears are on. It goes like this. Down came a lady, down came two. Down came a lady and she was dressed in blue. To play our game, you're going to need a chair. And so before we start, I want you to take a look at all the colors that you're wearing. You might be wearing a lot like me or just a few. Either is fine. So during the song, we're going to be walking around the chair. Then you're going to hear a color called out. When she was dressed in blue. And when you hear that color, you're going to take a seat. In the next round, a new color will be called out. If you are wearing that color, you'll stand up and walk. If you're not wearing that color, you'll stay seated. So you're either going to stand up or sit down if you're wearing whatever color is called out. Okay, so let's play. Down came a lady, down came two. Down came a lady and she was dressed in blue. Oh, if you're wearing blue like I am, take a seat. If not, keep walking around the chair. Ready? Down came a lady, down came two. Down came a lady and she was dressed in red. Oh, I've got some red. So now I'm going to stand up. If you're wearing red, stand up. If you're not wearing red, stay seated. Ready? Down came a lady, down came two. Down came a lady and she was dressed in pink. Nope, I do not have pink, so I'm going to keep marching. Ready? Down came a lady, down came two. Down came a lady and she was dressed in green. Oh, I've got some green, so I'm going to take a seat. Ready? Down came a lady, down came two. Down came a lady and she was dressed in orange. Oh, I've got some orange. Back up. Ready? Down came a lady, down came two. Down came a lady and she was dressed in gray. Oh, I'm not wearing gray, so I'm going to keep marching. Ready? Down came a lady, down came two. Down came a lady and she was dressed in black. Oh, I'm going to take a seat. So, see how many colors you can come up with and keep playing at home. Have fun. Let's sing Bow Wow Wow and Pat the Beat. Ready and bow wow wow. Whose dog art thou? Little Tommy Tucker's dog. Bow wow wow. Sing on hand signs, ready, and do, do, do. Me, 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 me. So, 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 la, so, mi, do, mi, re, do. Friends, we said last time that Bow Wow Wow uses the do pentatonic scale. It has all 5 notes, do, re, mi, so, la, and it ends on do. Let's sing Bow Wow Wow on hand signs while pointing to the ladder. Pointer fingers, whoop! Ready, and do, do, do. Me, 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 me. So, 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 la, so, mi, do, mi, re, do. Now, let's sing on hand signs and point to the notes on the staff. The red note at the bottom is do, and the top purple note is la. Point your fingers, whoop! Ready, and do, do, do. Me, 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 me. So, 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 la, so, mi, do, mi, re, do. Good job. It is story time. Today's story is Wendell the Narwhal, text and illustrations by Emily Duff.